Hydrogen peroxide is a simple, inexpensive, and eco-friendly way to get your toilet sparkling clean, without relying on harsh chemicals. Here are some tips on how to use hydrogen peroxide to make your toilet sparkle like new. White vinegar is a natural cleaner that can make your toilet look fresh and spotless. It easily dissolves hard water stains, mineral buildup, and soap scum while killing germs and neutralizing odors. To clean bad odors and limescale from your toilet, mix equal parts white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Spray this solution generously around the sides and corners of the toilet bowl, making sure to cover all areas. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the mixture to break down stains and neutralize unpleasant smells. Then, scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. If any stains remain, spray again with hydrogen peroxide and let it sit a bit longer. Finally, flush with clean water to rinse everything away. You can also use hydrogen peroxide to clean the toilet tank. Spray a hydrogen peroxide solution inside the tank, then scrub with a brush or an old toothbrush, until all stains are gone and any odor is eliminated. Finally, flush with clean water to rinse thoroughly. This simple method will leave your toilet fresh, disinfected, and sparkling like new. Rubbing alcohol is not just for first aid, it's also a powerful disinfectant that can help your toilet shine. Its quick-drying formula kills bacteria, removes grime, and leaves surfaces streak-free. To make an effective toilet cleaner, mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Spray this solution generously around the inside of the toilet bowl, under the rim, and on any stained areas. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the mixture to disinfect, dissolve grime, and break down mineral buildup. Then, scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush to remove any remaining dirt or stains. Finally, flush with clean water to rinse away the solution. This simple cleaning method not only eliminates germs and odors but also leaves your toilet fresh, shiny, and sparkling like new. Using hydrogen peroxide weekly helps prevent stubborn stains, mineral deposits, and bacteria from building up inside your toilet. Its natural disinfecting power keeps the bowl hygienic and odor-free without harsh chemicals. Regular use ensures your toilet stays bright, fresh, and easy to clean all the time. With these simple, natural cleaning solutions, you can keep your toilet fresh, germ-free, and sparkling without using harsh chemicals.